Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor floor lamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Grand Patio Solar-Powered Floor Lamp. Grand Patio Solar-Powered Floor Lamp is a drum-shaped wicker lamp that provides bright outdoor lighting with 40 lumens of light. It is maintenance-free, solar-powered, automatically turns on at night and off at sunrise, and lasts for 8 to 10 hours. The lamp is made of rust-resistant powder-coated steel and non-toxic all-weather fade-resistant wicker. The solar panel case is waterproof and dustproof, making it weather-resistant. It is perfect for outdoor use and is backed by a complete satisfaction guarantee. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bobcat Lighting Outdoor Solar Floor Lamp. The Bobcat Solar Floor Lamp offers a smart lighting solution for your outdoor spaces with its improved battery that lasts up to 10 hours at moderate brightness, letting you enjoy long evenings without frequent recharging. It runs on solar power, capturing sunlight during the day to keep your lamp charged, but it also has a convenient USB-C port for charging when sunlight is limited. You can easily adjust the brightness to 3 levels and choose from 3 light colors so you get the perfect ambiance for reading or relaxing. Plus, its versatile height options make it great as a floor or table lamp, fitting your outdoor setup effortlessly. At number 3, we have the VISFLAIR Metal Solar Floor Lamps Outdoor with Plant Stand. The VISFLAIR Metal Solar Floor Lamps Outdoor with Plant Stand 2-pack are a great addition to your outdoor space. They offer auto on-off energy saving feature, easy installation, weather resistance, and decorative design. The larger solar panel and high-performance solar lights provide up to 8 to 12 hours of light every night. The lamps are made of sturdy and durable iron materials and come with a round, recessed plant stand that can hold pots 6 to 8 inches in diameter. At number 2, we have the Lightdot 12-inch LED Outdoor Floor Lamp. The Lightdot LED globe lamp is a versatile lighting solution, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're looking to brighten up your living room, bedroom, or garden, this lamp brings a warm 3000 K glow that creates a cozy atmosphere. Its waterproof design means you don't have to worry about rain or snow damaging it, making it ideal for patios or poolside areas. The stable black tripod base keeps the lamp steady on different surfaces, so you can place it anywhere without tipping concerns. Plus, it's easy to set up with no tools needed. Just plug it in and enjoy the energy-efficient lighting that lasts up to 30,000 hours. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gewiny Solar Rechargeable Outdoor Floor Lamp. The Gewiny Solar Floor Lamp offers you versatile lighting with its solar and USB charging options, so you can keep it powered even in bad weather. You can choose from 8 colorful LED options, warm white light, or a cozy candle flicker to set the perfect mood for your outdoor space. It automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn thanks to its built-in light sensor, saving you the hassle of manual control. Plus, its memory function and remote control let you easily customize brightness and colors without needing to adjust it every time. This lamp is designed to be weatherproof and cordless, making it a convenient and reliable choice for your patio, garden, or balcony. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.